Hello everyone. Today we will talk about forms customization in model-driven apps like sales, customer service, marketing, field service, or any other model-driven app. Before customization of forms, let's talk about different type of forms. The first type of form is main form. Second type of form is quick create form. The third type of form is quick view form. And fourth type of form is card form. We will cover all type of forms one by one. Let's talk about main form first. So we have this solution in Power Platform, and this is our custom table vehicle. Behind every form, we have one or more tables. Whether we have a standard table or a custom table, and we want to work on the forms associated with the table, process is same, either custom table or standard table. Let's go to forms. We can see that we have one main form, information. If you go back to vehicles, we can see that this is the main form. In most business scenarios, one main form is enough. But in some scenario, you require multiple forms for different set of users. Let's create a main form. You can create a form from scratch, or you can also modify existing forms. Let's say a new form, insurance info, create. We'll keep this form very simple. You can notice that newly created form is identical copy of information form. We can modify if required, like I don't want year, I don't want person, and I want to add a new column here, insurance. Drag and drop here, save and publish. Now you can see that you have two main forms, information, the new one, custom form that we made, insurance info. Let's go back to application, go to vehicles, refresh the screen. Now you can see that we have two forms here, information and insurance info. Let's go back to Power Apps. As I mentioned, the customization of standard form and customized form is same. Let's modify further. We can add more tabs here. In tabs, we have sections. You can see we have different components here, and you can write various components on your forms. Let's see one small sample. Let's go back to this table vehicle and relationship. For a vehicle table, we can have multiple cases. Let's define relationship between vehicle and cases, which is one to many. Back to table, forms. Let's add a component. cases. Because relationship between vehicle and cases is 1 to n. 7 publish. You can try different type of components as per your business requirement. Let's refresh the screen. Change your form, insurance info. You will see all the related cases to this vehicle in this subgrid. Let's make a new case from here. So whenever we open any vehicle, we getting two options, information and information info. So we can have multiple forms as per business requirement. There are also some form properties. Let's walk through them. Let's go to form settings. It's your choice to make the form visible to everyone or specific security rules as per business requirement. Form order. When you have multiple forms, in which order you want to show the forms, you can choose from here. You can choose the order from this place. Fallback forms. When you have multiple forms, setting a fallback form ensure users always see a default form. If no main form is assigned to their security role, maybe because of some wrong design or something else. 7 publish. Now you can see by default insurance info form is visible to users because we have changed the order to make it appear first. So as per your business requirement, you can make multiple main forms and made available to users via assignment of roles. So this was all about basics of the customization of forms, main form. Now we'll talk about how to create quick create form. New. You can see quick create form option is disabled. So first of all, we have to enable this at the table level. Table, properties, save. Click on forms, new form. Now this option is enabled. Equal, quick, create. Basically, quick create is a basic form optimized for creating new records. Generally, we keep few columns here, and the way we customize same as main form. Let's say I want to remove year, vehicle type, only these two options. Rest of process is same. So from customization perspective, quick create and main form are same. Let's talk about quick view form now. You can see that on account form we have contact lookup because relationship between account and contact is 1 to n, and we can see basic information about this contact, about email and business in the quick view form. So this quick view form is not exactly a kind of form, it's kind of control. Now we'll see how to create and use quick view form. Go to forms, vehicle, create new quick view form. Let's give it quick view form. Let's keep it very simple. Save and publish. Let's go back to case entity. Because for particular vehicle we can have many cases. Choose the main form. Let's put first vehicle lookup and then component, quick view component, you want to choose one vehicle, quick view form, go back to application, refresh, go to cases, open case, let's choose any vehicle here. So as you choose the vehicle, it shows the small section which is the quick view form. If you change the vehicle, you change. So this is the quick view form, a kind of control which is associated with the lookup. Now let's talk about card form now. You can see that this is the active vehicles view. When I move browser and shrink it to some smaller size, I can see my data in this format. This is the card form inside the view. Now let's see how to work with. Go to views, active vehicles, choose to classic, click on custom controls. You notice that in the first three cases, main forms, quick create form and quick view form, we have used Power Apps Designer. But in this card form, we have to use deprecated old designer. Add control, deprecated read only grid, card form, vehicles, let's refresh the browser. When you refresh the browser, you will see information in views rows as card form, and it's mainly useful for the mobile devices. So we covered today main forms, quick create form, quick view form, and card form. Thank you.